Aloha, this is Cycle 3, Week 3, and we're doing history. Tell me about the Boston Tea Party in 1773. So we're gonna sign this 7, which is our ring finger to our thumb, in 17, and we're gonna touch it again, 70, and then we're gonna do an ASL for 3. The colonists were disguised as Mohawks. So you can put your Mohawk on, and they dumped their tea. So we're gonna pretend to drink our tea from the British East India Company into Boston Harbor. We're gonna dive into Boston Harbor. 1773, colonists disguised as Mohawks dumped tea from the British East India Company into the Boston Harbor. 1773, colonists disguised as Mohawks dumped tea from the British East India Company into the Boston Harbor.